Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to talk about something that can come in handy if your LG Smart TV is acting up, or if you just want to start fresh: resetting your LG Smart TV. Resetting your LG Smart TV can resolve many common issues like frozen screens, apps not working, or even connectivity problems. It's like giving your TV a fresh start. Step 1. Accessing the settings menu. First, grab your LG TV remote and press the settings button. It usually looks like a gear icon. Next, scroll down using the arrow keys on your remote to find All Settings and press OK. Step 2. Initiating the reset. Now, scroll down to General and navigate to Reset to Initial Settings. This option will restore your TV to its factory default settings. You might see a confirmation message. If you're sure you want to reset, select OK. Step 3. Completing the reset process. Your LG Smart TV will now begin the reset process. This might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once it's done, your TV will restart automatically. You'll need to set it up again as you did when you first got it. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can easily reset your LG Smart TV. Remember, this can solve a lot of issues and give your TV a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.